Now we have a Tessl spec. We'll use the Tessl framework to generate our code from and run the application. I start by downloading my usage specs so that my agent has the necessary context to build. Next, I'll build my application, which will generate the code for my application. During this process, Claude identifies the specs in the project and runs the build tool on Tessl's MCP server for that spec. Claude wants to run tests, but for now, I'll test visually before creating my robust test suite for this application. Next, I want to create an entry point for my application. For now, I'll have Claude Code write some disposable code to run this at a terminal. I'll finally compile the generated TypeScript code, and we're ready to test the app. At a terminal, I can now test this quickly to ensure the built application is what I'm looking for. I'm not testing for edge cases here, I'm just looking to see that the core functionality is correct. I play to see what happens when I lose a game as well as win a game, and I'll consider making some changes as needed. Now, I'll iteratively update my application, in this case using Claude Code to add and tune the functionality and capabilities in my spec until I'm satisfied with the application. I'm requesting a styling change this time around. I can now test the application back in the terminal. These rapid edit and test cycles enable me to develop my application while maintaining a spec-driven development approach. We now have a running application that we have generated from a spec. The next step is to create tests from my spec requirements to make the application robust.